Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about how to maintain your dishwasher. Most people don't think about that until there's a problem, but there's a few things you can do to really make it work better and last a whole lot longer. Hey everybody, Alan with Rebe Homes team here for another 5-Star Friday tip. We're going to talk about a dishwasher today and what you can do to better maintain your dishwasher, make it last longer and work better. And I'm here today with Jason Cutler with Cutler's Appliance Repair, and he's going to give us a few great tips that you'll want to know about. Jason, what can you tell us?
Well, I can tell you, most people don't know that the newer dishwashers will have filters inside. We do want to make sure that we're keeping the machine clean that's washing our dishes. And in order to do that, we're going to need to know a little bit more about our machine. So the first thing I'm going to start with is educate people on where the filter is and how hard or easy it is to clean it out. So I guess we're going to start with the filter, and I'm going to show most people the filter is located inside underneath the rack. It'll be underneath the propeller. We want to pull it out. You can pull it out using a quarter turn. Some machines do have a different technique. Always check your owner's manual. Also, it will say on top of it which way to turn to lock or unlock. There will be a secondary filter piece inside that can just slide right on out. Both pieces just need to be taken over to your sink and then rinsed off quickly. Once they're rinsed off, both filters, we can reinstall it inside. We want to make sure that these are see-through and that we don't have chunks of anything, glass, particles, or food inside. These filters help protect your pump. We slide that in underneath 2 tabs. We're going to push this down inside here. We're going to quarter turn and lock that in. Once you have your filters back in, you can go ahead and start taking care of the cleaning process, the rest of it. For that, we're going to use some products. Each one of these products would be used by themselves. I always recommend making sure that you do your dishes, put your dishes away while the machine is still warm and moist from its original wash. You can go ahead and clean the crevice in between the door and the main body where a lot of the mold and mildew will grow. And then you can start with your either powder or vinegar. I do suggest using clear white vinegar. It's something you can use on many other appliances, which we'll go over later. So half a cup only in the bottom of the machine. It'll help clean the pump and the drain line. And you're only going to use this by itself with no dishes inside. Let it run for the longest wash cycle. Clean the machine that cleans your dishes. Once that's done, if you're having an issue with spots or smells, Lemon Shine works fantastic. It's probably one of the best products out there. So you're going to want to use each one of these on their own. Put the machine on the longest wash cycle. And you're going to want to do this maybe once a month, but you're going to want to clean the filter once a week. So that's pretty much it for the dishwasher.
Wow, once a week. I can honestly tell you, and I'm embarrassed to say this, I've never cleaned my dishwasher.
Yeah, most people will say that because they just don't know.
Wow. There you go. Thanks, Jason. Another 5-Star Friday tip. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.